Okay, let me give you more details knowledge of session model. The session model assumes an already running cluster and use resources of the cluster to execute any submitted application. The application executed in the same cluster use and consequently compete for the same resources. This has the advantage that you do not pay the resource overhead of spinning up a full cluster for every submitted job. But if one of the job misbehavior or bring down a task manager, then all jobs running on that task manager will be affected by the failure. Like this figure showing, the Flink can submit multiple jobs to a unique job manager for application execution. As you can see, Flink job 1, job 2, and job n. Okay, because this cluster already running and existing, right? Actually, at a previous lecture or previous section, we demonstrate and running the Flink application and by session model at the standalone resource provider. We can check that. Okay, as you can see, the process ID and the process name standalone session cluster entry point. This is the job manager process name, OS process name, right? Here, I list some advantage and disadvantage and appropriate sense of the session model provided. First, advantage. The session model it is easy to understand and easy to set up. Like the previously section, I'll give you the tutorials step by step to set up the Flink cluster that is the session model, right? Okay. The job manager role is unique in the Flink cluster, right? And the session model has some copies of the disadvantage, such as the lack of the resources isolation, and the task effort each other in the same task manager. The cluster resources fixation, and the job manager over responsibility. As you can see, the job manager needed to accept multiple job submission and dispatch them to a different task manager, right? And appropriate sense, the session model is suitable for the job that short execution time and a small job, light job, and also it is suitable for development environment and do some testing, function testing. It is very suitable for the session model. Okay.